You have to go now because they're
I'll
closed.
call you back.
I gotta look like a mess. Hazel! You ready to go to... We're gonna go Pittsburgh? Okay, enough. Hi there!
No kindness.
Oh, you're so adorable! Oh
He is
my
5 months
gosh.
old.
Hi. Oh, you see all the treats in my treat bag.
Oh, buddy, be gentle.
Hi. Hello. Oh.
Oh, you can push him off. You're more than welcome to.
Hi.
You are just biggest. He's been like loving the people today.
Yeah, I got a bunch of treats in here for my so
Everybody's like, yeah.
Yep. Hi. You're so cute.
He just squatted. I didn't get to it.
You're really into my thing.
He's got a
Hi.
super sniffer.
Hello. Hi. You don't care about anything but the treats.
No, no motivation, right?
Hi. She's like,
That's okay.
what the heck? Oh.
Alright.
Here, I got it.
Yeah, she just wants to like leave.
Say hi first.
Woo.
Okay.
She's like, what the heck? She's like, I can sniff you, but you can't sniff me. You're okay, Bubba's. Oh. Big puppy.
Y'all shopping for her today?
Yep. Get her treats and stuff.
Oh, baby's getting treats.
Wants to say hi. That's okay.
Yeah, go ahead. Go, Minor.
little plop.
Doesn't know it's so yeah.
Oh, you're okay. You're okay, Hazel. It's okay. Good girl, Hazel. You're okay. Good girl, Hazel. You're okay. That one's over there talking. Yeah, you're okay. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. You wanna come? Good girl. He looks traumatized.
He's seen some things. They just have no love with pets.
Ooh.
No, we don't know if it's okay to say hi. Let's go.
Good girl, Hazel.
It's like,
Hey, come here. Come here. Good girl. Focus. Focus. Yes. Good girl. Focus. Yes. Good girl. Here. Good girl. Why are you sniffing me? Do I smell that interesting? Oh. She doesn't meet a whole, lot of dogs and stuff, so.
This is the way to come. Where to come? What is that thing? What is that strange thing? Good girl.
Go, Hazel.
Good girl. Yeah, I don't have a lot of... Thank you. All right, let's
You're
go
okay,
get some
Bubbles.
water, buddy. Oh. Oh, now you want to play. Okay, good girl, Hazel. Good girl.
Is you playing?
Yeah, you're such a girl. Oh, no. That's what you're doing,
You're knocking tags down.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what are you doing? Oh dear. Oh dear, what are we doing? Good girl. Good job, Linus. Good job, Linus. What are you doing?
Hazel's gonna come back here. I wasn't done playing.
Yeah.
Where's it? Hazel, please stop. Yeah. Great. You have these? Yeah. I mean, I don't know if they're ever gonna do different boxes, so. Yeah. I mean, I think it's the newest one right now. I think it's the newest one right now. Not wanted. And this is not now. My nose is running. Shut up. What you looking for?
Looking up at there, so you got the one thing. Last time I had the top
Oh.
I heard you. Sure. Oh. Nope. Great. Oh, okay.
We'll take to the pool with this little Walmart makes that fish.
Hazel. Who's ready to go to Wally World? Can't really see. Good.
Stuck in the shit. What?
Some things.
You know, I was just asleep for a little fucking shredding over here.
Yeah.
Because I don't like how I'm just sitting here all of a sudden just right here. Oh, I'm moving. My little sleeves.
Weirdo. Great. Who's got the clown?
What is that?
Get in, Pee-Pee. They have to shut down their bathroom. You want to work at the casino? You're not allowed to do that.
Yeah, I know. Oh, why are you backing up? Dude!
All you need is 350.
I think so, yeah. I wanted the...
You said a lot of old
No, we're just gonna
I
go.
need my noodles.
Yeah. Oh, hey, too. Yeah. So then you start recording.
Weirdo. Jeez. Like, Walmart's not pet friendly. God, people annoy me.
Red.
Yeah. All right, look at that.
What? Everybody else, some lazy person that's Brad be over here. Oh, do it.
You're not crazy.
You look cool.
You just grab you ever just grab like a whole like box of noodles?
No. I don't
Why not?
actually.
You should. It's fun. Damn. There's a dog eating. And There's a dog. So there's a dog. I'm the same.
I want to fucking kiss.
Being picked up. And that is where I should never be. Thank you. I'm like 90% sure that at the end there, when they're like checking out and stuff, that little dog, the dog was like in the girl's arms. I'm like 90% sure it was because she couldn't like take the dog like out of her sights, because it would probably like start jumping out or something. Or do people not understand that when there's a sign on a door that says no pets, it means no pets? If you guys like the video, subscribe, do all that stuff. Subscribe, come on. Hazel, tell them.
I just want food, mother. You also promised me a chew toy that I never received.
Without your subscription, she will surely starve to death.
Oh no, look at this face.
It's all bones.
Alexa, play ASPCA sounds.
Unhand me, you witch.
Those are probably copyrighted, I probably can't.
The song is for sure.
Yeah, 100%. In the yard!
That sucked.
Yeah. Bye! Hazel, say bye! She's like, good night. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, wait.
I am trying to sleep.
Bye!
Fuck you, Mom.
Like, Mama.